First of all, I congratulate you for watching this video. Why? Because you chose this motivational video while others were wasting their precious time watching empty videos. Because you have goals. Because you want to achieve something with determination and your own effort. Because you want to come to a good place in this life. Then you are in the right place. Let's get started then. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around because today we're going to talk about something that's often scoffed at, ridiculed, or dismissed altogether: the magic of a motivational speech. Some call it fluff, others label it as mere words, but let me tell you, there's a power, a force, an undeniable magic that lies within the realm of motivation. Today, I'm not here to coddle your feelings or dance around the truth. I'm here to hit you hard with reality, to stir something deep within you, and to make you question your own limitations. So, what's the big deal with motivation, you ask? Why bother with all the pep talks and inspirational quotes? Well, let me pose a question right back at you. How many times have you found yourself stuck in the same place, drowning in the monotony of life, wondering if this is all there is? How many opportunities have slipped through your fingers because you lacked the drive, the fire, the sheer audacity to seize them? Motivation isn't just a feel-good concept. It's the game changer, the spark that ignites the dormant potential within you. You might be sitting there thinking, why do I need someone else's words to light a fire in me? Here's the raw truth: you don't. But let me ask you this: how well has your way been working so far? If your own methods and mindset were delivering the results you crave, you wouldn't be here listening to me right now. Sometimes a swift kick in the mental rear end is exactly what we need to break free from the shackles of self-doubt and complacency. Now let's address the skepticism that's probably lingering in the room. Isn't motivation just a temporary high? A fleeting burst of enthusiasm? Sure, motivation alone won't turn your life around overnight, but here's the magic. It sets the stage, creates the momentum, and fuels the relentless pursuit of your goals. Think of motivation as the ignition, but it's up to you to keep the engine running. No one said it was going to be easy, but damn, it's worth it. And for those of you whispering in the back, questioning the authenticity of motivational speakers, asking, are they just selling snake oil? Let me be crystal clear. No one, not even the most charismatic speaker, can hand you success on a silver platter. Motivation is a catalyst, not a shortcut. It's about awakening your potential, reminding you that your dreams are not destined to be mere fantasies. But, and this is the harsh reality, you've got to put in the sweat, the tears, and the sleepless nights. Now, here's a question for the skeptics who think motivation is for the weak. What's weak about recognizing your desire for a better life? There's strength in acknowledging your shortcomings, your unfulfilled ambitions, and daring to strive for more. It takes guts to admit that you want to rise above the ordinary, to carve a path that's uniquely yours. Weakness lies in surrendering to mediocrity, not in the pursuit of greatness. Let's not tiptoe around the elephant in the room: failure. What if I try and fail? Well, what if you don't try and live a life of perpetual regret? Failure isn't the end. It's a pit stop on the road to success. Every stumble, every setback is a lesson etched into the fabric of your journey. Embrace failure like a long-lost friend. Learn from it, and let it propel you forward with newfound wisdom and resilience. And for those of you thinking, isn't life just about surviving, not thriving? Surviving is for the birds, my friends. You were not born to merely exist. You were born to conquer, to create, to leave an indelible mark on the world. The world doesn't remember those who played it safe. It celebrates the audacious, the ones who dared to dream and work tirelessly to turn those dreams into reality. So here's the bottom line. The magic of a motivational speech lies in its ability to shake you from your stupor, to jolt you awake and make you question the status quo. It's not about sugarcoating the harsh truths of life. It's about empowering you to face them head on. The real magic happens when you internalize that motivation, when you let it fuel your actions, your decisions, and your perseverance. In the grand tapestry of life, you are the master weaver. Motivation is merely the thread, the raw material waiting to be transformed into something extraordinary. Now, armed with this knowledge, go out there and weave the masterpiece that is your life. The magic is not in the words, it's in what you do with them. The stage is set, the spotlight is on you. Now go and make your life an awe-inspiring symphony of relentless determination and unbridled passion.